I know you're not supposed to touch your skin with a dropper. I'm touching my skin with a dropper. So, my bad. That is so cute. Like, it's very sorry. Literally, I've been struggling. Hey guys, it's been a while and I missed you so much. I feel like this is my first video back in a while. This is just me, no sponsorships, just me being me. But anyways, we're doing a life update. So I'm gonna be chatting about my life updates, Dominique projects, and some new things I've been implementing in my life. They have seriously changed my mental health in space. So this, what did I make today? Peppermint mocha iced latte. I definitely need to do a little video showing you guys how I make my coffee because it is so freaking good. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, I already have my brows done, but we already know what my favorite brow pencil is, so we're not gonna talk about it. But yes, a game changer for sure. I feel like I cannot talk about best of without talking about Kiehls. I freaking love this SPF. It goes with any foundation. I know there's formulas that go with formulas, but this goes with anything. It never peels. It never looks like a white cast. It's just perfect, and it's great as a makeup base. You don't have to really put on a primer with it. I mean, I can just leave it like this. Sometimes I do depending on my skin that day, but I freaking love this. I used it every single day. I feel like I used it in all my videos around mid-year all the way through the end. The way that she plays well with other foundation and makeup, she was just gorgeous. She even layered well underneath primers, which this primer to me was the best primer of 2024. The whole Huda Beauty collection. For this easy collection that she had together, chef's kiss, because I'm telling you, my skin looked incredible in photos, in person, and I got so many compliments wearing this. Also, I'm using a new camera, G7X. I actually take photos with this camera, so I've never used an actual video camera, so we'll see how it turns out for us. Hopefully everything's in focus and the color is not off. But I am the shade Latte 300N. I'm a neutral undertone, so this shade is so perfect for me. Let me show you guys. I know you're not supposed to touch your skin with a dropper. I'm touching my skin with a dropper. This is the Hourglass brush. They also have a concealer brush that I absolutely love. Hourglass really killed it for me in the brush category, as well as BK Beauty. When they came in, when I got their PR, I literally got rid of all of my brushes. This is actually kind of dewy, so you can see the glow that is happening on my face right now. Perfect. And this does have niacinamide 1.5%, so that is gonna add hydration to your skin, which makes sense why my skin feels and looks so good in this foundation, because my dry skin girlies, you're gonna love this. Pick it up, it's so good, full coverage, makes your skin look beautiful, hydrated. Like you drink one of these every 2 hours. I'm gonna need you to pick this up if you haven't tried it. Why, you guys, I've been trying to figure out this lighting, so it may be a little off. So sorry if it's off in this video. I will get it right next time. Literally, I've been struggling with that freaking ISO thing back there, and it will not move that it broke my nail. So let me put my nail back on. Okay, we're back. Don't have a favorite concealer because I'm just gonna use the concealer that I know and love. And this is literally the only concealer I've used since I created it, so I'm not gonna talk about it. But I am gonna tell you guys that I have been working on something special for the past year with my brand, and we shot the campaign for it, and I am so excited. This is the first product that I did not create just for myself, because all the products that I've created so far have been to solve my skin concerns, but this one is for others. I'm trying not to give it away, but at the same time, I'm kind of already giving it away. Let me show you guys a sneak peek right now. I had a lot of fun with Ice Fog, just gonna tell you that, but it's launching mid-January, and I'm so excited for you guys to see what it is, and I think you're gonna love it. Oh my god, I can't wait for you guys to see it, and that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna get into my favorite contour of 2024, and that is Westman Atelier. Well, the packaging is so heavy and luxe, and the formulas are just top-notch. This is the shade Biscuit, and it's the perfect cool tone shade to contour with. Or if you're more of a lighter, fair skin tone, this is actually great to use as a bronzer. It's not gonna make you super warm, but it's also not gonna make you look orange or ashy. So this is great for fair tone. And I really, really liked using this all year to contour. I did come out with a bronzer, and that bronzer I've been using this entire time, so I'm not going to talk about bronzer. I just don't want everything that I talk about to be my brand, because that's like, obviously I create it, and it's just not fair. And we're talking about the best of 2024, you know? I want you guys to have a mix of everything. Obviously, I love my bronzer. It has squalling to smooth the texture around the skin. It's amazing. Love this combination right here. Blend this. I'm actually gonna go back in with that Hourglass brush and we're gonna blend these guys together. I am so in love with creating products that simplify your routine and just empower you with our messaging. That's all I wanna do. I do wanna get more into lifestyle because that is my life. Like what I do in my life is more than makeup, so I want to share that with you guys. Do you see how easy and seamless this is? It doesn't take much to blend it. It just eases into the skin so quick and I just love it. When it comes to blush, the Rhode blush kind of killed it this year, for me anyway. I feel like the pigmentation, the quality, the packaging was so unique and cute. I've never seen this before. I love how it's like minimalistic. And this shade, we are definitely bronzing with this. This is Toasted Teddy. Also the bronzing technique this year, game changer. Add a little bit into my eye just so it looks like I have a little bit of shadow going on because I haven't been doing as much eyeshadow. And I don't know, I just love her. And all her shades work great on all skin tones. Speaking of blush brush that you need, this is from Anise. I'll have it linked in the description. But I never heard of this brand before. They're another brush brand, BK Beauty, this one, Hourglass. Their brushes are so amazing. Look how easy that is to just blend into my face. Like super effortless. I like when something's so effortless that you don't have to think about it, you don't have to try. It just kind of does the work for you. That's always what I look for in anything that I use makeup wise. If you're not the greatest at putting on your lashes, this is gonna be your best friend. They're pre-glued. The glue is on top of the lash and all you have to do is pop it on your eye. And I've actually ran out of all of the style that I actually use. I use Special Day or Everyday, but this is Glam Day Bold, which is really intense for where I put them. I only put them on the corners of my eyes, so I have to cut them up. This is a game changer. Like I've been putting on lashes for a long time and I still sometimes they can look a little wonky if I don't pay attention. Pop them underneath your lash and that's it. That was so easy. I'm gonna finish the rest of my lashes because I have to cut them. The best lash award of 2024, I envy. Cannot talk about the eye category without talking about this Dose of Colors. It's literally magic stick. It is diamonds on your eyes. It is so pretty. It's not your regular shimmer or glitter. Look at this shine. It's so stunning. It's a water-based formula, so it's kind of wet and cold. It feels wet and cold, but it's not. It's a multi-stick, so you can actually put it in different areas of your face. But I've been using it on my eyes ever since I got it. I cannot put it down. So pretty, and it went viral on TikTok as well. This is the shade Icy. It's a multi-use stick, so you can put it everywhere. I'm gonna put this on my lip really quick. It is a lip stain, and I like it because it just lasts, and I've been doing this every day with my makeup. I've been putting it on as a lip liner. Because it's a lip stain, it's not gonna move. It's gonna add hydration, and it's freaking amazing. I love this color. This is Plushy Fuchsia from Dominique. This shade I came out with this year, it's my favorite, and it just gives you a really nice flush of color that lasts. Then I go over it with this pencil from Makeup Forever. This is Endless Cacao, and it's more of a contour shade because it has a little bit of a gray cool tone to it. And I put it on these corners of my mouth, and it just makes your lips look a little bit more pouty, like a structured pout that I really love. So this mixture right here, I cannot stop using. And then I'll go on top of it because I use like 1,000 different lip colors. Walk of Shame from Charlotte Tilbury. Go right on top, and this is more for color. The prettiest combination. So that is the lip base. You have the lip contour, the definition, and then you just add a balm over it or a little bit of a gloss. I've been using this one from Jisoo. It's the Cherry on the Cake shade. It's a sheer red. It's very sheer, so it's not like super red. Very pretty. It's like an extra flush on your lips. And because I have the stain underneath, it's not gonna go anywhere. I feel like I wanted to show you guys the stain, even though it's my brand, because it's not moving, and you can use any stain. The Makeup Forever Limitless Brown is amazing and wins the award for lip liner because it can be used for anything. You can contour with it. Like if you forget your contour, you can just contour your nose with it a little bit. You can put it on your eyes. It's really all over the face type of stick. And then this color I've just been loving. Like I just love this color. It's a red, but it's not an intense red. It's like a muted, neutral red. and this is a really beautiful color that I cannot put down. So Charlotte Tilbury Walk of Shame is a winner. Also, the Jisoo lip oil in Cherry on the Cake has this really pretty shimmer to it. So stunning. I can't put them down. When it comes to pressed powder, Natasha Denona takes the cake. Like, she won my top powder of the year. It's a pressed powder, it's full coverage. I'm just gonna pop in that powder underneath so that it locks everything together. But it also gives me a little bit of coverage that doesn't get cakey. It feels really good on the skin. It doesn't cast a shadow in photos, which is amazing. A lot of things have been changing in my life lately. I actually stopped drinking. I was a casual drinker, never like I felt like I needed a drink or anything, and it always makes my stomach hurt. But I would always grab a drink in a social situation to make myself feel more comfortable. I've had social anxiety for all of my life since I can remember. So I've always felt like, oh, I just grab a drink and 1 or 2 drinks and I'm good, but I would always end up sick. YSL Powder Bronzer wins the award for me for 2024. I'm using the BK Beauty Brush number 107, but I just want to be fully myself in every situation and really get to know myself in these situations where I'm uncomfortable and feel comfortable. Even like at my age, I feel like you still are learning how to accept yourself for who you are. I feel like since I've done this no casual drinking anymore since May, I'm happier. I feel less pressure. I just feel like more of me. I feel like I'm growing into this version of me that's very authentic, real, and I can't escape it. And I don't want to escape it. And I'm learning to love myself for who I am. And it's just, I've been on this journey to really embrace who I am in any situation. I feel like it is changing every aspect of my life for the better. I would highly suggest you guys to try it if you deal with social anxiety. Just try to not grab a drink and be in the moment. Being in that moment and embracing what's around you and who's around you. I've been having a great time going to dinners with friends and having a mocktail instead of a drink, and I kind of love it. To finish off my makeup, this Dalba First Spray Serum, I've been through 4 bottles, which I have never been through with a setting spray or a mist, and I've done it with this brand. It's so good. It's a Korean skincare brand. You can get it on Amazon, and I'm obsessed. What I love about it the most is that it makes my skin look so juicy, like hydrated. It actually gets deep into the skin and hydrates. Makes your makeup look more like skin. I have no other words for this, but you're amazing. You're beautiful, you're gorgeous. I've also been utilizing my notes for my thoughts, and writing it down helps to get it out of your head and move on, and that has really changed my headspace. Anyways, this is the final look. I do this every day. I love it so much. It's very easy, effortless. Products are going to make your skin look absolutely amazing in person. That's what's so important to me. So if you haven't tried any of these products, I'll link them below. Also, I am wearing this 30 Years sweatsuit that is so, my bad. That is so cute. Like, it's very that is very comfortable. Like, I'm gonna back up a little bit. But it's like a whole set, and these socks, like everything is so cute and comfy, and that is my vibe for the holidays. I missed being here. Let me know what content you want to see in 2025. I'm listening, and I'll be reading your comments. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoy my time with you. It is so therapeutic for me. If you missed these videos here, make sure to check them out and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and became a Dom Fam bestie. I love you guys so much. Before I let you go, I just want you to know that you're beautiful on the inside, and that's what counts. I wish you happy, cozy, loving vibes for the rest of the year. I will see you in 2025. Bye guys.